All right, so there we go. Baudette Blizzard, about ready to do another quarter mile. It's going to be an easy one. It looks like Emerson is aboard. There's less junk in the infield, but still some. They're getting rid of all the junk from Derby. So it's a nice easy gallop here. We aren't really wanting much of a gallop out. We just want to kind of open up to the pole and slow down pretty quickly thereafter. This is his second quarter mile here at Churchill for Dallas Stewart, the son of Icebox, out of a Bandini mare. And here we come to the quarter pole, and he'll open up just a little bit here. Going well. Nice rhythm. These riders are so good with the Dallas Stewart outfit. They really know what they're doing.
This is real good.
This is real good. Real good. Dallas very happy.
He might even make a racer.
Oh, that's good, man. That's good. Very nice with a nice little slow down gallop out. Perfect.